I'm finally making progress for my server build that I promised you guys a while ago. At this point, I have most of the components and I even have the rack set up. I just haven't put any of the computers inside of it. I'm pretty much just missing a patch panel and a rack mountable power strip. Here's what the rack looks like so far. For those who don't know, the point of this build was to create a completely portable server I could just take anywhere and only have to plug in power and Ethernet. As you can see on my website, I named the server Batman because the two handles on the top kind of look like bat ears. I'm really excited to finish this build within the next couple months, and I may even be able to expand it because I have some extra slots.